I didn't call you.
I know somebody else did. Somebody called on you guys. What is it that you guys are doing?
I'm taking photos today.
Okay. Are you like calling people around?
Sorry, I just want to let you know these guys were recording my baby, and they wouldn't stop. So it was really creepy and weird.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Have a nice day, guys. Touch grass.
You have no privacy in public.
Okay. So you guys, yes, you can film in public. You can't be going around following people, filming them,
Why not?
because that's against their
That's not
Fourth
against the
Amendment
law.
right. It's against their rights.
Let it talk. Uh-huh.
So-
So what law is that?
The video opens with a clear mission: education, accountability, and rights. The narrator sets the stage bluntly. This isn't about crime, it's about control. Almost immediately, a complaint enters the scene, not backed by evidence, but by emotion. A claim of discomfort is elevated to official concern, and with that, law enforcement steps in. From the outside, this is the first warning sign. No law is cited. No facts are confirmed. Yet the encounter begins as if wrongdoing already exists.
What city
Amendment
code? What penal code or
No, I'm
ordinance?
telling you, it's in the Constitution,
yeah? So which one is that?
I never heard about that.
the Fourth Amendment.
What does it say? What does it say? If I may ask.
Okay, listen, I don't know
listening.
what it is that you guys are doing.
Yeah.
Yes, see, like you can't be doing this stuff.
Oh,
Good.
yes, you can.
I'm telling
Garcia,
you.
how long have you been
This is
on the
public
force?
sidewalk. How are you gonna
Not
tell
long,
me not
like
to do it?
maybe a little bit over a year.
I can tell.
Well, yeah, I'm pretty young.
Yeah. Yeah, you're young, so
Yeah, but you guys, you can't be doing this.
yes, you can.
I can.
No,
I'm
you
on
can't.
public sidewalk. Who says I can say it?
You can't be blocking the sidewalk. If you're
I'm not
loitering
blocking
on the
the
sidewalk,
sidewalk.
that's a Pasadena
I'm
Municipal
not
Code.
blocking.
You
the
have to
sidewalk.
be a super fat to
Yeah.
block the sidewalk.
No, like see this right here? If somebody isn't able to get by freely, that's blocking the sidewalk. That
Okay.
counts. You can't be loitering in one area for too long.
Oh, is that right?
Here
Is
in
that
Pasadena, yes.
this is like a city ordinance thing?
It is. Pasadena Municipal.
What do we do about the First Amendment then? Do we just invalidate it because of a city ordinance? Or do we keep it?
What do you mean?
Like you're saying something that contradicts the First Amendment. You're law enforcement. I don't know if you're feelings enforcement.
What is it?
You are law enforcement.
Yes.
You're not feelings enforcement.
Feelings enforcement?
Yeah. Like you came today because people are
Can
not
you-
comfortable.
I could record anything I want to.
No, you
Yeah,
can't.
that's not right.
record
I've been doing this
anything.
for years. You're the only one who's come up with a little bit moody or something.
Booty.
Yeah, I know the law. I've been doing this for so long. Anything I could do in public. That's my right as an American.
You have to, yeah, but everybody here has rights. You have to.
That's not
like,
breaking
respect
the
other
law. Following
people's
someone
rights.
or filming,
If
you're
you were
allowed to do
following
it.
someone, she said you
You're
were
allowed
filming
to
her
be out
baby.
here. Yeah,
That you're
Yeah.
not allowed
that's
to
not
be doing
breaking the
that.
law.
Yes, you can.
No,
I
you
could
can't.
film it. I could film it.
You can't be
Yeah.
over there following people
I'm allowed
around,
to film anything I want
causing
to.
traffic hazards.
Yeah.
Like, no,
Were you here?
no, I'm basing it off of a statement.
So it's a
that she
hearsay.
gave me. Yes,
Hearsay. But you were not here.
As the conversation unfolds, the tension sharpens. The officer repeatedly insists that filming people is illegal, not because of statute or code, but because others feel uncomfortable. When pressed for specifics, the justification collapses into vague references to the Constitution, particularly the Fourth Amendment, incorrectly applied and never explained. From a third-party view, this is the core conflict: enforcement without understanding. Each question exposes uncertainty, while confidence is replaced with repetition. Authority is asserted, but knowledge is absent.
No, but I'm sure
Okay,
there's
so why
surveillance.
are you
You
saying
guys
this?
have been recording the whole
Have
time,
you
so
verified with
show.
the surveillance cameras about those claims?
No.
So there we go. You have no grounds to say these things.
I have reasonable suspicion that you guys did based off of you
I know,
still
but you
recording
have-
and what you told me.
But have you verified that? Have you confirmed that this
Well,
is true?
that's why I'm talking with you guys
Because
right now.
because they could tell you that I'm giving away money right now, and yet I'm not.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah,
why
so
I'm
there we
talking
go.
with you guys right now.
Yeah.
But I'm
So
watching you. This right now, here, you're doing that. You're recording people.
and what we're doing is perfectly legal.
There's an extent to it. You can't be
Okay.
following people around, causing traffic hazards,
How am I
violating
gonna?
their rights.
How can we follow people that are driving if we're on foot? They can easily simply
You can still follow
drive away.
someone. This car right here, I could go up to them. I could follow them.
I mean, I
until
can go
can't
and
anymore.
record your car if it's okay.
Record the car.
Yeah, like the unit, the police car that you have.
Yeah, if you're like passing by, just
No,
recording
right
things,
now I can go to the window and record what it's saying on the computer.
you cannot
that's-
record what's on the
That's
computer.
perfectly legal. Yeah,
That is not
It's plain
legal.
view.
No.
Plain view
That
doctrine.
is not in plain view.
Yes, it is.
Plain view would be, yeah, you're not an officer. You don't have that.
Hey, you're an officer and yet you don't know these things.
I do know these things. I'm telling you right now. Plain view doctrine states when we detain somebody and we're gonna affect some type of arrest.
Is this a more experienced officer over here? Because we seem to be wasting time talking.
So you guys can film as long as it doesn't cause distress. It doesn't considered harassment. So you're in a public area, you can do that. But if the other subjects consider it as harassment because it causes them distress,
What is
that you
harassment?
can't do.
What is harassment?
It's the definition of the other person.
How many times to become?
There isn't a time.
Yes, there is.
Oh yeah, what is it?
It's more. It has to be repeatedly, and it has to be on the same person.
No,
Yes,
not
it
what
is.
I looked up before
Okay.
I came on the call.
Whatever you want to define it as, we still have the First Amendment, and that's
Well,
the
how
one.
come you're going based
definitely,
on a
you definitely
call
have the First Amendment.
and you don't even have evidence? You're going based on a call. And you're
She's going.
We were,
No evidence.
He was not here.
Our report was somebody was filming, and that matches YouTube.
which is not illegal.
No, it's not.
I'm allowed to be here day and night if I want to.
You are allowed to do
Yeah.
it. Yes.
just
as
not
long as-
loitering, blocking the sidewalk.
Yeah,
You came a
can't
little
This
block
is
bit-
sidewalk.
You came a little
It's
bit
public.
aggressive. That's what I'm gonna tell you the truth. Yeah.
I didn't come aggressive. I came and I said hello. I introduced who I was, and then you guys.
But you're stating something that is
started-
false. That's not cool. You're
what am I
inventing too
saying
much
that's false?
stuff.
What have I said that's
And I'm
false?
gonna defend myself because I know the law.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did I say that was false?
You're inventing all these things that we haven't even done.
What did I say?
It's
What
not.
did I say
It's
that
not
was
illegal
false?
for me to follow someone and film them. I'm not breaking the law. Why are you saying that?
If they consider being
Here, the situation reaches a critical point. The officer pivots to harassment, a powerful accusation, yet admits she wasn't present for the alleged behavior and hasn't verified the claims. No witnesses are questioned. No cameras are reviewed. As observers, we see the danger clearly. Hearsay being treated as fact. The filmer dismantles the claim methodically, forcing the conversation back to evidence, definitions, and legal thresholds. The response? More subjectivity. More what-ifs. No crime.
and it causes them distress, that would be illegal.
That's
So that's
not-
feelings police.
Yeah, then
Correct.
you're
Yeah, and
feeling
it's on the
doing-
other party, not your guys.
So where's the crime right now?
Well, right now it's just.
Because I did
municipal
record
code
a lot of
blocking the
I did record a lot of minors.
sidewalk. Okay, well.
Yeah,
In what way were you recording?
they were
them?
walking with their parents.
Why
They were
you-
talking to me.
Okay.
So?
Did the parents? What did they say? Were they asking you to
They were
stop?
just happy that I was here. They say, "Have a nice day."
Okay,
Do your thing.
That's a different thing.
Yeah. So we're not going to enforce feelings today. We're going to enforce the law, I suppose.
Okay, and this is a municipal code. You're blocking the sidewalk.
I'm not blocking the sidewalk.
I'm telling you, it.
Well,
It's
if I am,
over there, look, we're in the
if I
public
am,
sidewalk.
the same applies to you, I suppose.
And that's why we're here.
So
We
the same
shouldn't be
violation,
blocking
right?
The, sidewalk. We
The
should
same
be-
supposedly
Yes,
violation.
I agree. We shouldn't be blocking the sidewalk. We should. I want you
Okay.
guys to just move along.
Lead by example.
Okay, but we need you guys
Go-
to be
go to
first.
your- go to
We
the
need
color.
To make sure that you guys aren't going to be here blocking the sidewalk.
I am
can
going to
go
be here.
To my car.
For as long as I want.
Okay, then you're in violation
In violation of what?
of the municipal code. You can't be blocking the sidewalk.
Oh, all right. Yeah, this is not going to go anywhere. Anyway, you have your views. I have my views.
I know.
What are you guys filming for? I'm just curious.
The curiosity, you can control it. I'll tell you. I'll tell you in 6 months. When I see you again, I'll tell you in 6 months. As of this moment, I have no. Like you guys, you guys like to say it's preliminary. We can't give details. We can't give details, right? When you're conducting an investigation and people ask you, it's preliminary. It's preliminary. So that's the same thing. So it's preliminary. So there's no details available. Specifically to strangers with badges.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, just like my partner said, you guys are good. That's your First Amendment.
We already knew that. No, she didn't say that. She
So,
said something
let-
else.
Let me. So, if you don't mind, sir. So, as long as you guys aren't blocking, and as long as you guys don't harass people, if we come back and there's an harassment, that's going to be an issue. But you guys are free to.
It ain't gonna be an issue
Okay, perfect. I'd
because
love to
you
hear
were not here.
that. Okay, I'd love to hear that.
So whatever you are saying, unless you verified it, unless you confirmed it, then we can go from there.
Sure.
But a hearsay thing is only speculations. So as I was
That's what I send this out to. That's
as I was giving her an example, that maybe I was giving $100,000 just now, and people told you, hey, you know what? There's a guy that's giving away money, but it's not true. But yet people are claiming it. So how can you verify that? You can't,
That's
because
why
you were
we
not here.
We were just asking.
You were not here.
Okay.
So,
Do you have any questions?
in
for
my
us?
opinion, is you should just go about your day. That's it.
We're about to. Do you have any questions for us?
No questions.
All right. Thank you. Have a.
I do
good
have a
rest of your day.
question. This
Sure.
is public sidewalk. How come she's saying we're blocking? We're near. We're not even there. That's a sidewalk, and this is public. So can you fix her on that mistake?
Yeah, that's
it's a
fine.
public
Yeah,
You
because
just
she's
can't
been
block it.
saying that this guy been and she doesn't know what she's saying.
What do you mean? This
Yeah.
is a sidewalk.
I know. I've been doing this for a lot of years, sir, and I know how it
Is this
works.
what you do for work? Or?
Yeah.
Don't tell anything. Okay, you don't have to give details.
No, I'm
Remember,
not gonna, I'm just asking.
Remember.
I'm just asking.
I'm not gonna
these people will twist things around.
I'm not trying to.
They're
twist anything.
specialized.
I was just-
You're not trying to, but you will.
Jump
some
on
point.
ahead. It's a First
That's you
Amendment.
jumping a
If not, you haven't. If you haven't in the past or in the future.
So, do you regularly jump to conclusions?
So, well, you are jumping into conclusions just now.
good.
You're giving me the
that's
example.
What conclusions?
She was jumping into conclusions,
Okay, but that's not
What
me.
conclusions was I jumping
right?
into?
Well, you're from the same team, right? What can I expect?
Yeah, but we're different people.
Yeah, but you're just from the same clan.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Either way, you guys can't be blocking the sidewalk. That's
Either way-
still-
With constitutional arguments failing, enforcement shifts again, this time to municipal code and sidewalk obstruction. But even this claim struggles to hold. The officers themselves occupy the same space. The definition of blocking changes mid-conversation. From the outside, it's clear the goalposts keep moving. Each new justification replaces the last, not because the law demands it, but because compliance hasn't been achieved. The authority wants movement, not resolution.
I'll tell you this: you guys are dismissed. You can go about your day and solve real crime, because right now you're just
Yes, we would
you're just
like to
wasting
do that,
taxpayers' money
but-
right here, right now.
Okay.
There's no crime here. You can go.
It's still a violation. We
There's
still
no
have to-
violation. There's none.
You guys can't be.
Otherwise, talk to your sergeant or bring your
If you feel like
supervisor.
they're able to cross, then
Bring your superior out here, and then let's see what he or she says.
All right. So again, just as long as you allow people to walk through and you don't.
That's exactly what's been happening the whole morning, and that's exactly what's going to happen the whole
But
day.
you're not seeing the issue here. She keeps on saying something. Is she a sergeant or something?
She has no grounds for this.
We're gonna go.
You're
Is
a
there anything
sergeant?
else you guys needed?
You're a sergeant?
Garcia, you're going to go.
Okay,
How's that?
because it looks like she's ruling over
I-
you, and
You were not able to enforce your
over you?
feelings or
you
feelings.
think she has that power because she has
My
a
feelings.
uniform. I'm gonna say
Yeah.
a
I
straight
don't
up
have
thing.
feelings in this. I'm unbiased. I'm here. Somebody calls, they're complaining about an issue. I go, I contact the people that they're complaining about. I'm speaking with you, trying to figure out what it is that you're doing and why you're doing it. I'm explaining to you our codes here that we have.
Why don't you figure out who the caller is and then go and talk to that person?
We have the call.
What's the
Have the
incident
caller.
number? What's the incident number?
Are you agreeing that this is an incident? Are
No,
you
I do not.
agreeing to leave? Are you?
No, but in dispatcher calls an incident. So where's the incident number
That's correct.
of the call?
She was telling me I can be filming people, and she's not gonna tell me what not to do. I'm allowed to be here standing and filming, and wherever I want to point the camera to.
Again, if you can film, protected by First Amendment, as long as the other party is not distressed.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go about feelings today.
Okay, this isn't even about feelings.
Yes, it is.
Just don't block the
She
sidewalk.
said it was creepy, so that's a feeling right there.
Okay, but that's not
When
what
people say,
I'm enforcing.
when people use that word, they're talking about their feelings.
I'm talking about you blocking the sidewalk.
Oh, I'm blocking the sidewalk. So I've been
Yes.
blocking the sidewalk. So what are you gonna
Yes.
do about that?
I'm trying to get you guys to just move along so I don't have to write you a citation.
This is why I want to be
It's a
here.
misdemeanor. Any
Well,
municipal code here in
well.
Pasadena,
You write a citation, and you're gonna have it
it's a
dismissed.
citation. I wanted the incident.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it dismissed.
Dismissed.
Yeah.
I haven't given you anything. I'm not.
Well, you're mentioning the word citation, so
I'm telling you what could happen.
it's
I'm
not gonna
saying I
happen.
don't want to have to do that, but you're
It's not gonna happen.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't want to have
You
to
have-
do that. If
you
we
have no
to come
grounds.
Back here again for the same calls.
You have no
eventually we're
grounds.
gonna have to
What's your
cite you
badge
for
number?
blocking the sidewalk.
what is your badge number?
3046.
Okay,
It'll say it on my card
okay,
that I'm going to give
okay.
you.
Write it down.
with
Uh huh.
The incident number.
Yeah,
105 and
I'm gonna be here the whole day, doing the same thing that you're saying right now. I'm very surprised you don't know this about you. You're not too familiar about this.
I'm very familiar with this. There's a lot of people that do this.
And
Usually, I'll tell them, hey, they don't want you filming here. They agree. Okay, they understand. They were just filming something small or whatever, and then they agree to leave.
because they don't know about the First Amendment. They let you violate the First Amendment.
Okay, I mean, this is just like, you guys want to, like,
So-
you came with the intent to try to, like, create an issue.
You don't know that. You're not inside my mind. You can't read
I
minds.
know, but I can, based off of my conversation with you, I can tell this is what you had in mind. Here you go.
Go about your day, Garcia. You're dismissed. Yeah.
All right.
And I'm going to see you again later this afternoon.
I hope not.
Because they're going to keep calling. And it's
Well,
going to
I
be
hope not.
the same situation like right now.
Okay.
So, all right, guys, you can go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Go on your way. What are you
You
doing?
guys don't know the law, for real. You don't know the law.
The ending says everything. After extended debate, no citation is written, no arrest is made, badge numbers are finally offered, an incident number appears, but still no crime. The officers disengage, advising the filmer to go about your day. The takeaway is unmistakable. Enforcement attempted, justification failed. What began as an accusation ends as a retreat. The camera remains, the rights remain, and the moment stands as a reminder that feelings are not law and discomfort is not a crime.